The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Psalms 23. Alright, hello everyone. It's your girl LaDonna Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we got the quarantine part 2 look. Last week I did a look on this palette right here called the Poison Apple palette, and I did a look using all of these shades. My Instagram followers had voted for this one first, and then I told you guys that I was going to go ahead and do this one, the birthday cake shade. I was going to use all these colors that are on the palette to make one full look, and this is how it turned out. And if you guys like this look, make sure you guys continue on watching, and we're just going to get right on into it. Okay, so I already prepped my lids and I already did my eyebrows, and now my eyes are prepped with LA Girl Pro Concealer, this kind right here, and the shade Fawn. I'm gonna go ahead and take this orangey shade right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend it up. And the reason why I'm doing it so close to my eyebrow is because I'm gonna do this certain type of cut crease. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm gonna try to give my eyes some room and space to be quite creative, because I really want to go ahead and use this whole palette, like, honestly. And then next I'm going to add some of that light pink in. Next, I'm just going to use this pink shade right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and add that up there. And I'm just doing it really lightly, honestly, y'all, because I don't want too much pink to overpower it. So I'm just adding it up there. So now I'm just gonna go in with this dark shade right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and literally add this almost inside of my crease, just so when I do cut that crease, that definition will really show. Okay, and next what I'm going to do is take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and go ahead and cut my crease. And I'm gonna cut it really high, literally like all the way up there. So since I'm doing it all the way up there, I'm gonna drag this color some more up. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my crease all the way up. Okay, y'all, this is dramatic, very dramatic, but I'm feeling the look. I'm feeling it. So now I'm just gonna go in this yellow shade. I'm gonna go ahead and start packing it on. So now what I'm gonna do is take this blue right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pack that where I did my new cut crease. I feel like this look is missing something. So what I'm gonna do is add my eyeshadow duo glitter from Hard Candy Cosmetics. And it's a pretty color, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add that like on the yellow part. And I feel like that wakes it up way much more than the palette itself. So now what I'm gonna do is add my eyeliner. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a wing. I don't know what to feel about this look. I honestly don't know, y'all, but just let me know in the comments below what y'all think about this, because I really don't know what to say. I just did it. But you know, I feel like, you know, it serves some type of justice. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my pore defense primer from Hard Candy Cosmetics. This is the pore defense primer, and I love using this because it lasts a long time, and I love how it preps my skin for war. And no, I'm just playing, but yeah, I like how it preps my skin, and I like how the formula is. So next I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer Color Corrector, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that around my face just so I can have a clean and smooth application when it comes to my foundation, and you guys won't be able to see my dark spots as much, and it's going to conceal it way better. So y'all, quarantine, honestly feel like all this is really blowing over, and you know, I don't know how to feel, like I said, about as far as the governor opening back up for Atlanta. But all I can do is just go with my gut, so what the spirit says. So I don't know, I'm gonna be chilling, I'm still be working, doing what I gotta do, doing YouTube and makeup and stuff, bam. But I'm gonna be doing my own thing basically. So I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Warm Coconut, and I'm gonna use my e.l.f. foundation brush to go ahead and just apply that on there. And I absolutely love this foundation because it looks like my skin, you know? And that's what we want. We want that skin look. Okay, so y'all already know my routine for my concealer. I like to use the e.l.f. Camouflage Concealer in the shade Deep Olive, and I like to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So first I like to go ahead and add this underneath my eye. I'm just gonna take my damp beauty blender and go ahead and blend that in. Let me know in the comments below on if you guys want a highlighting and contouring tutorial. Oh, and like I said, if I reach 200 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. Like I said, I don't know exactly what it is, but it is worth the while, you know, as a beginner YouTuber, and I'm excited. I'm excited for this journey, you know. So yeah, so I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F16. I'm gonna go ahead and contour. So next I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder in the shade Deep 35. I'm just gonna be taking some of that and putting that in my pan and going ahead and just rolling my beauty blender, and I'm just gonna tap that Now, depending on how I feel a certain day, I bake. It just all depends, really. But today is like kind of like a glam look, so today we baking. That's what we're doing. So while that sets in, I'm gonna go ahead and take my contour powder. I'm gonna mix these two, and I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of pat those in my cheekbones so it can all melt and mix together. And I don't like to bake too long, just enough, just so the powder can have a chance to just set in those creases. So now what I'm gonna do is go back in my palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this purple shade right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add that in the corner of my eyelids. And this blue right here, I'm gonna go ahead and add that blue where I put that turquoise at, just to give it a little shimmer. And then lastly, I'm gonna take this blue right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and go under it, underneath my eyes. Next, I'm gonna add my blush from Black Radiance in the shade Toasted Almond, which is one of my favorite blushes that I use right now. I'm gonna go ahead and add that on my cheeks. And at first, y'all, I used to not like having a lot of blush, but now, like, I'm obsessed with blush, because blush really brings out and warms your cheeks up, you know, after you contour and highlighted and everything. It kind of gives that flesh look back to your face. So when I'm doing this, I'm just adding some, and I'm gonna add a little bit on my nose. Pull the Doja Cat on y'all. I actually think that's cute though, like it is, okay? No, last but not least, I'm going to add my highlighter. So today I chose something a little different. I'm going to take my BH Cosmetic highlighter palette to go ahead and take this shade right here and add my highlight. So now I'm going to take my e.l.f. lip pencil, and I'm going to go ahead and outline my lips. And then I'm going to take my Miliani lipstick in the shade Matte Blissful, and it's really a pretty color, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it on my lip. And then last but not least, I'm going to add my LA Colors lip gloss in the shade Heavenly, and go ahead and add that on top of my lip. And y'all, this is the final and finished look. Oh my god, I actually like it. It's not really me as far as the whole dramatic look, but I think I can dig it. I think I could do this look. All right guys, that's it on this final quarantine part 2 look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys liked it in the comments below, and also check out my other videos below in the description box. And also subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, because I told you guys if I reach 200 subscribers, I'm going to be giving out a couple of prizes and gifts. So you guys just stay tuned and make sure you guys keep up. And I hope you guys have a blessed and highly favored day. I love you guys, and I thank you for your support.